Damn, where the fuck y'all nigga ass come from? Fuck y'all nigga ass come from? Where the fuck y'all nigga ass come from? Alright, on a real note, YouTube, I'm tired of goddamn looking like a old head, bro. Like with these dreads, this nasty ass shit. So we gotta go get this fixed, twin. Got her opium shit in the back. I'm rocking Go to State Nike Tech right now because I'm just going to the goddamn dentist right now. Yeah, but I've been looking like a bum lately, but we finna revive. So y'all stay tuned. No kill.
I better watch your back. I gotta get where I was down.
Yeah, y'all, like I was saying, we trying to get in the spirit a little bit. See, we got the tree in the back, stockings on the wall. Y'all probably like drip out of all hats, white Carhartt. Bro, to be honest, bro, I lost all my, I don't know where none of my beanies went, bro, because I had hella beanies, and I don't know where none of them hoes went. Like, this like the last shit I got, so that's what I'm rocking. But we finna get shit back popping, because I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I've been on some bullshit. I've been on some dry ass, rough ass nigga shit. Hair off foot. It's only been a couple months, but I do this all the time, though. I get a retwist. I know I ain't the only one. If you got dreads, you know. I'm tender-headed too a little bit, but I get a retwist, and then for a couple months, I don't get a retwist, bro. I don't know if I'm the only dreadhead that do that, but I'm pretty sure I'm not. Anyway, though, y'all, yeah, like I said, we finna go to the dentist. I need my goddamn phone. Let me get my phone right quick. Let me get my phone right quick. It's 11:18. My appointment is at 11:45. Yeah, my appointment is at 11:45. We gotta be there 10 minutes early, so 11:35. So I might leave in like 5 to 10 minutes. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all. Let me go grab this. Hold on. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what I was gonna say later, but since I am going to the dentist, it's 11:22. We gotta be there 10 minutes early. So in about 10 minutes we gotta be there. But I'm gonna hurry up and do this shit right quick and make their job easier and do something that I do every day. And I know a lot of you dirty ass niggas don't do. I know a lot of you dirty ass niggas don't be taking care of your hygiene for real. Floss your damn teeth. Alright? I know you be you think you brush your teeth, and you probably like, drip, why my goddamn breath still stink? Why my goddamn breath still stink? Your goddamn breath still stink because you don't floss your shit. That's just one. That's part one. I already brushed my teeth, by the way, so you dirty ass niggas don't think I ain't do that. Alright, boom. Another thing is, you niggas don't niggas don't scrape y'all tongues, bro. I know for a fact. Y'all not having tongue scrapers at the period, bro. Y'all probably just brush y'all shit with the back of the toothbrush. No, bro. You're the tongue scraper, bro. Like, you get all that shit going. I actually already scraped my shit, but I drank something, so you know what I'm saying. I already brushed my teeth twice already this morning. What else you want to do? You niggas need some mouthwash, man. I heard some shit about mouthwash though, like some shit not good. Fuck all that. Now you good to talk to some bitches. Hey, no, y'all. We gotta get going. I gotta show y'all something on the way out. Look at this shit, bro. Hey, y'all, I should be using my tripod, but I left it in the house, and I'm about to go back in the house. But first thing we gonna do before we leave is I'm gonna show y'all this shit, bro. Look at this. My shit's sitting on the side of the road, bro. Goddamn. Look, I keep saying goddamn. No lights work. Nothing works. I can't turn it on, start it, nothing. My shit died, bro. Like, there's something always wrong with this shit. I don't know if I'm gonna put this on my vlog channel, but it probably will go on the vlog channel. This bitch always, you feel me? We ain't tripping about it. We gonna get it back right. But right now, we just gonna take my Duke's car and hurry up and head to a dentist appointment. I ain't show y'all what we was wearing, but get y'all a fit check right quick. Some slight shit, some bullshit actually. We got some baggy ass sweats off the Uggs. We got brown Nike puffer off the brown Nike tip. Wearing some bullshit shit. I pulled these out. Wrong key, gang. We in this today. I got a whole plan, but I talked to my manufacturer. If you haven't seen my video, my main channel, I spoke with my manufacturer about the sample. If you haven't seen that, you actually have to go see that, like, so you know what I'm talking about. But I talked to him about my sample. He's working on a new one. We talked about everything we need to get fixed for that. Let me switch my hat around. Alright, y'all, I had to switch around because I ain't like that goddamn. I ain't like the Carhartt in the front. Y'all make a goddamn counter because I said goddamn so many times. Yeah, we in the see, I was gonna say it again. We in a Chevy today. I was talking like I'm stuck. Nigga, I am. I ain't gonna lie, I was kinda sick a couple days ago. So I'm overcoming that a little bit still. And it's cold as hell. It's cold as hell in Michigan too, twin. And I've been slacking on the fashion tip. I'm about to get back into my fashion stuff, y'all. So y'all go follow me on Instagram at FCKKDrip. I'm gonna show y'all on Instagram because I don't be putting it on the screen no more. So y'all see that picture is me. Y'all go follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna get back on my fashion tip. I'm about to start doing my music full effect again, doing everything full effect. You're gonna see on my main channel, I'm gonna start posting a bunch of different videos and I'm gonna start actually vlogging and putting it on my vlog channel for y'all. Since I don't really be, cause I be trying to work shit, but I get so comfortable by myself doing it and I need to, excuse me, I need to break that comfort cause I can't be like that, bro. I gotta be able to, like, you know, I gotta open up a little bit on that side cause I can't always work by myself. I gotta be able to branch off and shit and work with other people and shit. So I gotta be comfortable working in front of an audience and y'all seeing my work and shit. So y'all gonna see the whole process behind shit. But I'm gonna talk about my clothing brand on my main channel now more. I'm gonna start bringing that more to my main channel. I can't believe I'm in this little ass car, bro. Like, if you drove a Mopar before, bro, and then you get in a non-Mopar, you can just feel the difference. Like, shit crazy. Ain't no way though, twin. On the way to the dentist, we ain't gonna play no tunes. I'm high as hell. I ain't gonna even cap you down. Let's just get to the dentist, bro. I be yapping like a motherfucker. Like, this is a 7-minute clip. I'm probably gonna cut a lot of this shit. And I feel like squirrels be running in the street. I feel like they be wanting to die. Cause they just run in the middle and they just like get the juking nobody. Like, they be hitting spin move juke. They be spamming circle in the middle of the street. By the time I get through, I'm trucking shit. I'm talking about big hit. Truck stick, and at that point, you feel me, they juke move is canceled. I'm killing their ass. But I'm so scared to hit a squirrel. Like, I love nature, bro. I love animals and everything, so I don't think I'll hit a squirrel on purpose. I be trying to juke them motherfuckers, but I'm gonna catch y'all at the dentist. All right, y'all, I seriously need to start using my tripod. Now that we outside though, I can show y'all I actually got that shit on. Let's go up in the dentist. Bro, I fucking hate the dentist, bro. Like, I can't be the only one, bro. Yeah, this shit low key fire as fuck. That shirt sticking out there. I'm still waiting, bro. Y'all say what's up to Snapchat. Y'all wanna know my Snapchat and my Instagram. Oh, but we just waiting to get up in there and get up out of there. And then I don't know what's gonna happen after that. Gonna check my schedule and shit. I wanna go to the gym, but we gonna see. Alright, y'all, they got me, bro. I did not know they was gonna fuck me up like this today, yo. Hold on. Bro, I did not know they was gonna fuck me up like this today. I would've canceled this shit. So, I got 3 fillings, right? Bro, my shit fucked up, yo. Lips dry as hell. This goddamn dentist was pissing me off. Groaning and shit while he was grinding my goddamn teeth, playing in my mouth and shit. Pause. But yeah, while he grinding my teeth, nigga goddamn groaning and shit. Hit Dr. Duper looking motherfucker. Bro, I'm getting mad in the bitch, bro. Why the fuck these nigga do this shit to my lip, bro? I was not ready. I said my lip, my mouth. Dog ass sleep in this bitch. Bro, what the fuck is going on? I need to just go home, bro. I can't eat. I don't even know if I can smoke. I can't do a damn thing, gang. I can't get geek or nothing. I'm pissed. Alright, y'all, so I do need to figure out what's wrong with my car. I believe it's my battery or my alternator. I can't even vlog for real because I can't talk. So, I'm gonna go home probably. I'm gonna chill for a minute, and I'm gonna get back to y'all when we I might save this vlog for another day when we getting back right, when I'm getting my hair done and shit, cause I need that done badly. So I'm gonna get back up with y'all, man. I'm fucked up, man. Y'all like the video? Yeah. Alright, YouTube, so I don't know much about cars, but ever since I had this goddamn charger, I had to learn a couple things, you know what I'm saying? So look, I think I might be owning something. I'm charging this. This is not the battery, but it's like the fuse. I don't know what to call it, but I don't know much about cars, but you know what I'm saying? Let me cook, let me cook. I don't got nowhere to put my, I wish I had my tripod like I should, but let me cook, let me cook, let me cook. You know what I'm saying? Let me cook. Let me find somewhere to put this at. Let me cook, let me cook. Let me cook, let me cook. Oh, let me cook. Okay, we got a little bit of energy. We got a little bit of energy. Hold on, my car is cranking a little bit. It wasn't moving at all at first. Hold on. Crank this motherfucker up. We gotta crank this motherfucker up right here. Crank that little V4 up, you know what I'm saying? Might be on to something. Hold on, y'all. Niggas try to doubt me and shit. Nigga, I fuck a car dealership, nigga, I am. What do you mean? I'm not detected, bro. It's right here. It's right here, nigga. No. All right. I gotta give it a minute, y'all. So I come to the conclusion that I like to rush things, so I just gotta be patient a little bit, and this bitch gonna be right. So I'm gonna let that charge a little bit. I'm gonna give it like 5 more minutes. If it don't work in 5 more minutes, then y'all bear with me. I can't talk cause my goddamn mouth numb. 5 more minutes. If that don't work, I'm gonna switch to the trunk. I'm gonna try to charge the battery. So I'll be back. Bro, if you live in Michigan, bro, you know it's goddamn negative 45 right now. But hey, like I said, I don't know much about cars, but hey, let me cook, let me cook. That was a hustle, y'all. Alright, y'all, this is the moment of truth right here. Hey, y'all, should I wait to start the car? Or should I start it right now? Oh, y'all ain't see the fit for real. You know what I'm saying? Peep it on the car, on the dirty car. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, should I start the car right now? Or should I got down? Let's see. I could tell by the way my power turn on when I open this door, how like fluent it move. That'll tell me if it's ready. The fact that this power right here is working is telling me that it might be ready. Yeah, fuck nigga! Fuck nigga! Hell you talking about! Hell you talking about! Hell you talking about! Hell you talking about! Hell you talking about, nigga! Yeah! This motherfucker on too, yeah. Motherfucker was telling me, it's not your battery, you won't get it to work. Eat an asshole, nigga. So I think I just gotta get a new battery, y'all, and we might be straight. So we back in business, man. I can handle my business now, bro. We might shoot a main channel video today now. Since I don't really gotta talk. Nah, my mouth fucked up. I'm gonna have to wait, y'all. Depending on how quick this shit numb off. Cause I can talk, but My lip is like crooked and shit. I don't like that shit. But yeah, my car is on, y'all. I probably should unplug that. I'm finna go figure out what's wrong with my car. I might wait till tomorrow to do it, cause I don't really, yeah. But I'm gonna go talk to my dude right quick and take her car back. And yeah, swag. And another thing, bro, just cause somebody say you can't do it, or somebody try to knock down what you think it is, bro, they say, oh, you can't do that, and you know you think you can, bro, still do that shit, bro, cause you don't never know what the outcome can be. You know what I'm saying? They was telling me, and look, it ain't even that serious, but it's just the principle, the context of it. The closest people to you can just be like, bro, it's not, don't do that, that's not smart. You know what I'm saying? You could do it and it worked. You know what I'm saying? I did it and it worked. You know what I'm saying? Now I just gotta go from there and figure it out. So don't, you feel me? Believe in yourself, fuck nigga. Young nigga, believe in yourself, nigga. Believe in yourself. I believe in you, you believe in yourself. Yeah. Let's do it. Hey y'all, man, this motherfucker riding, y'all. So look, you know, I gotta go to goddamn AutoZone. I keep forgetting to grab my tripod, but we're finna go to AutoZone. This shit not that far. It's like 5 more minutes away. I'm gonna have them test the battery. I'm pretty sure I just need a new battery, but if it's the alternator, my mouth crooked as fuck. Oh my god, y'all gonna flame me in this vlog. If it's the alternator, it's the alternator. So, you know what I'm saying? But I'm pretty sure I just need a new battery, because if I just did that, you know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure I just need a new battery. I don't even know, like I said, I don't know nothing about cars for real, but I know a little bit, but I don't know too much about cars. But yeah, on the way to AutoZone, y'all stay tuned, okay? I keep telling y'all stay tuned, man. Fuck that, we gonna keep the camera rolling on it, yeah. But I don't be talking about nothing. I can't talk right now either, because I got my mouth fucked up. Like, look at that shit, y'all. I wonder how bad it's gonna look like when all this like drugs and numbing shit they got, and I like come off my brain and I can like actually see what I look like. I ain't gonna lie, I'm high as hell still. Shit is a blood to me, but we already almost at AutoZone. I'm thirsty than a bitch. I got some water in the trunk. I'm a beautiful dude, bro. Even when I look rough, I'm still beautiful. Even when I got a crooked mouth, I still fuck your hoe, nigga. So don't think cause I got a crooked mouth, your hoe probably watching like, ooh, I love the way he talk. You see how my lip just like, bro, that shit's, bro, that's insane how that, I don't know what they do. It's insane how that shit can make your face, like my, bro, like when I tell you my face is legit numb, like my shit is legit numb. Like, if a nigga socked me in my shit game, if a nigga socked me in my shit twin, like, that shit would not hurt, bro. Like, I swear. If a nigga just like came up, came with a mean one on my ass, I'm telling you. And I need to get a car tripod. I wonder if it's gonna slide off. Yep. Luckily, I got good ass hands, young nigga. So I gotta hold it. But I do need to get a car mount so my camera can just sit up here, because the way these chargers built, the old ones, this goddamn right here, this shit tall as fuck, twin. Like, if your seat lowered, you not finna be able to see over that shit. Oh god. Damn, I keep forgetting to grab my goddamn tripod. That shit pissing me off, cause I need to vlog better, bro. I'm trying to be better at everything I do, and I've been doing this half-ass vlogging shit, just grabbing the phone and holding the camera like this for a minute. I need to make this shit professional, so I'm gonna start using my tripod, y'all. Somebody told me to do that shit too. Lips dry as hell, like, damn, y'all. If y'all got some spare Carmex, let me get some of that. I'm definitely gonna put something on my goddamn lips. Yeah, we got O'Reilly's too, but fuck that. You see why that bitch empty. We finna go to AutoZone, nigga. Yeah, you talking about. I need to get better at goddamn, cause I just had a conversation with this man in the store. I could have been recording the whole time. Oh, my bad. I'm vlogging myself. Yeah, I got you.
If you shut it off, will it restart?
I'm not sure. I haven't turned it off yet.
I do have a boost box, but I'm gonna need you to turn it off for us to start the process and get off the hood.
Okay. I'll do both. So is that the alternator? This?
The alternator's right down there.
Oh, down there? Okay.
Yep.
I don't know much about cars. I was just telling them that. I don't know don't know what cars.
And the battery's in your trunk.
Yep.
But it's saying it's a bad battery. The battery's fully charged.
Okay.
It just has a shorted cell.
Okay.
Now try to start it, see if it'll let you.
Alright.
And I think it will because I just took the surface charge off.
Well, that boy started straight up clean. Yeah, that started clean up.
Right, because when I tested it, it took the surface charge off, which is why it wouldn't start for you before.
Okay.
But it's just saying you need a new battery, that's the only problem.
Okay, so let's get a new battery.
Okay. What year is she?
15. Yep. So, hey, perfect. I told y'all I fucking knew what the fuck is going on. For all the niggas that doubted me, nigga, I fucking told y'all, nigga, with the fucking battery, nigga. When you think you down in life, no, you ain't down, nigga. You just need a boost. You need a charge. You need a new battery, nigga. You just got a dead cell in you. You need to heal that cell. Renew the cell. Fuck is you talking about? Let's go get this goddamn battery, nigga. I'm finna get mad in there, ho. Mouth crooked and shit. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit. Ho ass, nigga. Oh, my camera dying. This bitch need a new battery too. Hey, I'm finna get this new battery. Y'all like the vlog, man. I hope y'all enjoy it. Yeah. Bro, y'all, I did not know batteries was that expensive. That shit expensive as fuck, twin. That's a pair of Jordans, twin. That's a Nike Tech, twin. With a Nike shirt on the side. Oh, shit. Could you install that for me, too?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Appreciate it.
What's your phone number?
989.
Marcus?
Yes, sir.
It's gonna be cash or card?
Card.
Oh, I thought it was something in towing. I didn't realize they'd ordered a battery.
Battery and light.
There you go. Talking to somebody in there too?
Oh no, it's just like video. So
Video, okay.
when they watch it, you know, talking to my subscribers. And I just got feelings today, so.
Oh, so your keys are sensitive.
Yeah,
Pop the trunk for me?
It's the keys. I might have left the keys in the car. Yeah. Okay.
I don't like sitting them on the ground.
Okay, yeah.
I usually take yours and I'll bring it in, then I'll grab you.
It's a lot of junk back there.
No, it's down in there.
Yep, under here, yep. Alright, y'all. Everything rebooting and shit. Battery nice and new and clean. Shit, if this bitch new, why the fuck my screen ain't popping up like that, twin? Come on, twin. Hey, twin. This shit was doing this with the old battery, bruh. Why my shit ain't loading up, bruh? Why my shit ain't loading up, bruh? Nah, I don't know, bruh. They might have just scammed me, bruh. Am I just supposed to just get scammed? Like, or just like registering new energy in this bitch or what? Like, what's going on? Anyway, though, y'all, we gonna wrap it up here. This is a long ass fucking vlog. Y'all like the vlog. My lips so crusty, this vid's disgusting. Battery dying anyway. Hope y'all enjoyed. And y'all stay warm, fuck niggas. Yeah. I ain't stop saying yeah, that ain't me. Y'all like the video. How should I start ending it? Okay.